We've added a feature to make it easier to activate and inactivate certain elements within eForms. So within CapjaDocs, and of course you have to have the enterprise level, what we've done is on the actual forms, we've added the ability to basically hide or show certain elements. So for example, this could be if I go into one of the folders, and I'm simply just going to add in an eForm. Let's do this one. And so let's say for this particular eForm that we've added in against Fleet 345, um, we want to go into this form and let's say hide an element that's not specific for this particular one. So we could say this one, for example, and we can simply inactivate this or make it hidden. So this will just hide it from the end user's view. So as they fill in the form, they won't see this element at all. It will also be hidden for the output once somebody's submitted the form. You can actually do this from the template level as well. So, for example, if we go on to the same one, we could inactivate this one. And then when you go to add that form into a folder, it will automatically be inactive. So you can go and activate things. So some examples for how this could work is if you have multiple signatures, you could build up a form with multiple signatures in there for daily briefings, for example, and then you could activate those ones depending on how many people are there, for example. Or this could be the example I've just said. You could have more checks than needed, and you could inactivate them or activate them depending on which folder you put them in, which is associated to a different fleet that needs a different type of check, for example, or it's not relevant for that particular machine. Um, or it could be used for if you're working with CapjaDocs quite regularly with eForms in folders, and you don't want to go and keep on creating new eForms because there's a different scenario every week or every month, you can simply activate or inactivate. If you're not already aware, within the content that's the folders that sorry, the eForms that you've got in there, you can actually go into them and change certain elements in there. So you can actually change the text, and you can actually go through. So it's only the initial setup which is locked once you publish it. I hope that's helpful. Any questions, please reach out. Thank you.